Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Today we're going to show you how to harvest and cure garlic, how to understand when it's ready to harvest. Stick with us. Look at this beautiful red Russian elephant style garlic. This is a hardneck garlic, and this has been in the ground since early October. Now the window for time in garlic, for harvesting garlic, is about 8 to 9 months. A hardneck garlic is very, very cold hardy. Down here in Texas, in zone 8B, we really don't have to worry about that. But this garlic is hardy up to zone 5, and I believe maybe a little bit higher than that. Now, a hardneck style garlic is really easy to tell when it is ready to harvest. Not only in that time window, but here, the bottom leaves start to die and turn brown. And as you can see, this one is ready. What we're going to do here is just pull back. Now, this is in our Back to Eden style garden here. We're just going to pull back a lot of this mulch. And I like to use a trowel. And the reason I like to use a trowel is that garlic bulb will put out roots, not only down, but straight out the side. And you don't want to break this stem before it cures. You want to keep that intact and strong. So what I like to do is I like to get under and down around the garlic bulb. Now if you have really soft soil, you can probably just pull it up. But in this case, we're just going to cut those roots around the side of that bulb. And pull it straight up. As you can see, I did cut a lot of those roots around the side. This is a beautiful, beautiful bulb of garlic here. Now, you can tell if it is over ripened or past when you need to harvest, because under here you will get a lot of separation between the bulbs, and it'll start to peel back, and you will be able to see those segments in there, the cloves, and you don't want that for long-term storage. If you do get a piece of garlic or a bulb of garlic like that, it's best to use it sooner in the kitchen. It will not really save for long-term storage. So when you pull up all of your garlic, inspect them, see which ones are good for long-term storage, cure those properly, and then use the other ones that may be a little bit damaged or a little bit over-ripened. Use those in the kitchen right away. Now what you're going to want to do with this is hang it up to cure it. Hang it in a cool, dry place. And with a little bit of airflow is even better. It will cure, then you can cut off your bulb here and get that into some cool, dry, long-term storage. We put ours in a mesh bag that we salvaged from oranges from the grocery store. Put those in a mesh bag, store it in a cool, dry place. Make sure that airflow is getting to it, and then your garlic should stay for next season. Now, you want to periodically check that garlic and make sure that all of your bulbs are looking good. They're not starting to deteriorate in any way. If you see that, use those in your cooking and keep the others for next season's growing. And that's what this one looks absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be used for next season to grow even more garlic here in the garden. This is one of our favorite vegetables. It's a natural antibiotic, and it is really important for your diet and health. So make sure you grow a lot of garlic, and it is incredibly easy to plant. We'll probably do another video on that, but yeah, that's basically all there is to harvesting garlic. Make sure we get this hung up and dried and a little airflow, and you're going to be perfectly good with your garlic. All right, thanks everyone. We appreciate it. We appreciate you watching as always, and if you're not a subscriber, hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, the notification button, so you get a new notification every time we put out a video, which is usually every Tuesday. We've actually been putting out a few more videos, which is a lot of fun, because we've got a lot going on here on the homestead in the middle of summer. So also go check out our Amazon store. We have got all the tools that we use out here. Well, actually not all of them, but a good portion of the ones that we highly recommend and little products that we recommend here on the homestead. Go over there to Amazon. It's free for you. Just use our link, go over to the Amazon store. We'd really appreciate it. It helps out our family. And usually in the videos, I will specifically put a link to our store and a link to those specific products that I use in the videos. All right, everyone, have a great day, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.